The technological landscape for content creators is on the verge of a seismic shift, with a torrent of compelling details regarding the highly anticipated next-generation gimbal camera, the Osmo Pocket 4, now flooding the digital sphere, making this an absolutely critical moment for vloggers, travel videographers, cinematic filmmakers, and social media producers looking to significantly upgrade their portable filming gear. This miniature marvel, the successor in the esteemed Pocket series, is shaping up to be an unprecedented leap forward, fundamentally redefining what a compact stabilized camera can achieve in terms of image quality, operational flexibility, and battery endurance. The most staggering revelation, and arguably the most strategically important vlogging camera innovation for the modern digital creator, confirms that the Pocket 4 is officially transitioning to an advanced dual-camera architecture, a monumental first for this product lineage. This groundbreaking dual-lens system is not merely a superfluous addition but a calculated move to offer unparalleled versatility and a dramatic boost in overall performance compared to its popular predecessor. The Pocket 3, the primary imaging module of the Pocket 4, is rumored to incorporate a massive, high-performance inch sensor, a substantial upgrade that is tipped to also feature the same cutting-edge variable aperture lens system found in the newly released Action 6 series. This sensor is expected to deliver a resolution of approximately 50 megapixels, placing the Pocket 4 firmly in the top tier of premium action cameras and handheld vlogging devices. A single specification point that heralds a profound improvement for capturing high-fidelity 4K video and professional photography even in challenging lighting conditions. The variable aperture, rumored to span from a wide for shallow depth of field and superior low-light performance to a tighter for maintaining sharpness and controlling exposure in bright daylight, provides a level of creative and technical control previously unheard of in a device of this minute size, simplifying the workflow for outdoor content creation by intelligently managing the light-gathering capabilities of the lens. This technological inclusion potentially negates the constant need for external neutral density filters, streamlining the process of achieving that coveted cinematic video look on the go. However, persistent counter-rumors suggest an alternative design choice, where the Pocket 4 might instead integrate a sophisticated, built-in 5-stop ND filter mechanism, which, while lacking the mechanical flexibility of an aperture blade, would still ensure optimal exposure management and maintain the camera's highly compact and ultra-portable profile. Complementing this powerful main camera is the revolutionary second sensor, reportedly a $1.3 inch module specifically engineered to address the explosive demand for vertical video content, the undisputed king of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This secondary sensor is rumored to be a square sensor format, perhaps around $13.20 times 13.2, which would allow the camera to capture true 4K vertical footage without the inherent resolution loss or awkward digital cropping that current rectangular sensors, like those in the Pocket 3, require when rotated for portrait mode shooting. This seemingly minor design change is, in reality, a game-changing vlogging upgrade that provides a seamless, uncompromised native workflow for creators focused on maximizing their impact across all major social media platforms, ensuring every pixel counts and delivering high-resolution video for the most engaging mobile video marketing strategies. Beyond the optics, the Pocket 4 is also poised to make significant strides in core performance and hardware. The device has already made its mandatory appearance in the U.S. Federal Communications Commission database under the identification model OP041, a crucial step that signals that the hardware design is finalized, tested, and production-ready, indicating an imminent market launch. This FCC filing provides concrete evidence of an upgraded power system, revealing a noticeable bump in battery capacity from the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh to a rated 1,545 mAh at. This nearly increase in battery size is strategically positioned to deliver a real-world shooting time extension of approximately, potentially pushing the total endurance close to or even BAO. ND the 200-minute runtime mark, a vital factor for extended documentary shooting and full-day travel vlogs where power access is limited. This improved battery life is especially critical, as it must power the larger sensors, the enhanced internal image processing engine, and what leaks suggest will be a slightly larger, more vibrant main display. Interestingly, despite these major internal component upgrades, including the dual sensors and increased battery cell size, The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to maintain or even slightly reduce the overall weight and dimensions, continuing the lineage's core value of being a truly pocket-sized gimbal. This engineering feat suggests a significant refinement in internal component miniaturization and material science, reinforcing the Pocket 4's position as the ultimate lightweight camera solution for on-the-go content creation. On the performance front, the rumors suggest the new image processor will unlock staggering video recording capabilities, pushing the limits of the compact form factor. Expected features include 6K video resolution at up to frames per second, or potentially even offering professional filmmakers and YouTube creators immense flexibility for post-production workflow, allowing for considerable cropping, reframing, or stabilization without compromising the final output's quality. For slow-motion enthusiasts and action videographers, the Pocket 4 is also rumored to support 4K resolution at a blazing 120 frames per second, enabling the capture of incredibly detailed and buttery-smooth high frame rate footage directly within the device, a specification that directly challenges rival action cameras and high-end mirrorless systems in the compact camera market segment. Additional anticipated features include an enhanced ActiveTrack system, improved low-light video processing, and an upgrade to a 4-microphone audio array for superior, more immersive sound recording quality, possibly with wireless microphone synchronization capabilities. While earlier leaks stirred excitement about a dual-screen setup, with a smaller secondary screen on the front face of the camera, later reports clarify that this is more likely a tiny status display dedicated to camera settings and information. Still a valuable asset for self-filming but not a full front-facing preview screen. Connectivity is expected to be solid, with support for Wi-Fi 5 and enhanced Bluetooth Low Energy, though some rumors even hint at a potential leap to the much faster and more capable Wi-Fi 6E standard for significantly quicker media transfer and remote control. The release timeline, however, is complicated by external geopolitical factors that dominate the current discourse in the drone industry and consumer electronics market. Despite a confirmed target launch date in December, DJI faces a looming and procedurally complex challenge in the United States. This centers around Section 1709 of the National Defense Authorization Act for the fiscal year 2025. This legislation mandates that a U.S. national security agency must complete a formal security review and determination of specific foreign technology, including all DJI products, by a hard deadline of December 23, 2025. The critical and unprecedented clause dictates that if this audit is not completed by the deadline, not due to failure, but simply due to government inaction or procedural delays, DJI's equipment will be automatically added to the FCC's covered list. This would effectively ban the FCC from granting new equipment authorizations, thereby blocking the import and sale of new DJI models, including the Pocket 4, in the United States. The irony lies in the fact that, as of now, no federal agency has formally initiated the required audit, leading to a precarious regulatory limbo that DJI is actively, and publicly, attempting to navigate by calling for a fair, transparent, and timely review. Current users of existing DJI gear are safe, their cameras, drones, and gimbals will not be retroactively bricked or deactivated. However, the potential ban could severely disrupt the future availability of new products, accessories, firmware updates, and after-sales support, creating a state of prolonged uncertainty for the millions of creators and businesses that rely on DJI's technology for their operations in sectors ranging from aerial photography to professional content creation. Ultimately, the Osmo Pocket 4 is not just another iteration, the blend of a potential variable app or two. $1/1.1" inch main sensor, the revolutionary square format secondary sensor for native 4K vertical video, the significant battery life boost, and the rumored 6K and 120 frames per second video capabilities solidify its status as the most ambitious and powerful handheld stabilizer and portable video camera developed yet. For YouTube creators, microfilmmakers, and mobile journalists, the Pocket 4 represents the zenith of pocket-sized performance, offering the power of a much larger system in a highly accessible and discreet filming device. The impending launch is not just a product release, it is a race against a critical regulatory deadline, making the Pocket 4's market debut one of the most strategically time-sensitive and highly anticipated events of the year in the entire videography gear ecosystem. Keyword optimization is paramount for this launch, as tech reviewers and consumers scramble to find information on the device that promises to dominate the vlogging and content creation space for years to come.